Welcome everyone! If you've ever wanted to create stunning images for your social media, YouTube thumbnails, or personal art, but you can't draw or don't want to pay for stock, this tutorial is for you. Today, we're going to master Artguru AI, an incredibly easy and free platform that not only generates art, but also has powerful editing tools. We'll cover art generation, photo transformation, quality enhancement, and background removal. Let's start with the most popular feature, the image generator. It's simple. You type what you want, and Artguru draws it. Text field will write a detailed prompt to get an epic result. I'm going with a cyberpunk-style dragon landing on an ancient temple, neon lights, high resolution. The most popular feature, the image generator. It's simple. You type what you want, and Artguru draws it. In the text field, we'll write a detailed prompt to get an epic result. I'm going generate. The AI works in seconds, and here they are. Look at the detail and the neon lighting. Next, the magic of turning a real photo into a unique piece of art. Great for profiles or unique content. We upload a personal photo and then select a cool style like cartoon or anime from the sidebar. Hit Generate. The AI has taken the pose and features of the original photo and completely transformed it into the style we chose. It's an instant artistic makeover. Artguru is not just for art, it also has super useful and free editing tools. Let's jump over to the Tools section. First, the Photo Enhancer. If you have an old, blurry, or low-quality photo, this AI can fix it. I'll upload this pixelated image, and with one click, the AI sharpens it, removes noise, and upscales it. Check out the before and after. It truly feels like magic. Finally, the essential tool for designers and content creators, the background remover. If you need a transparent PNG for a logo or a thumbnail, this is the fastest way. We upload the image, and Artguru automatically detects the main subject and removes the background with impressive accuracy. Now we have a clean, transparent PNG file ready to use. Artguru AI is a complete, free solution. You can create art, enhance your photos, and edit your images all on one platform. If this tutorial helped you create or improve your content, please give it a like and subscribe for more free AI tool guides. Leave a comment saying AI Art to let me know you made it to the end.